sometimes there are just some things that you really do not have to throw away, guys. This video is one of those things that I'm going to be sharing with you. If you have it, please do not throw it away. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new here, I am Nelly and you're welcome to my channel. Max, in my last video when I started using Chebe for my hair this season, and this is the leftover of the mask that was remaining. I couldn't exhaust everything. Remember, I mentioned in that video that my rice that I used was just too much, and I felt like if I throw this away, it will be me throwing away so much goodness. So what can I do to help myself out, to like ease myself of the pain that I wasted all this rice? So I just went ahead to do this. I took the saucepan, added the remainder of the rice into the one left in the pan, and I went ahead to add water to this. Now you can also go ahead to cook this, like just cook it really lightly while you have diluted like this, or you can just do what I'm doing. Just go ahead and stir it, ensure that the whole paste has dissolved nicely into the water, and then at this point you can proceed to sieving, guys. With this, you have made your TV hairspray, guys, so fast, so easy. And I just loved the fact that I was able to think of this without just throwing all these away, because I mean, guys, I needed a Chebe hairspray for my hair almost immediately after the deep conditioning, and this was just a very quick way to get my Chebe hairspray for my hair. Now this is not just Chebe hairspray anymore, because remember, the deep conditioner had Chebe powder, it had neem, it had rice, and it also had the cacao oil. So this is not just Chebe infused water. This is enriched with protein from the rice. This is enriched with nutrients from the neem powder. So guys, you can just begin to imagine how good and how great this is going to help your hair. So I just went ahead at this point, sieved. Now remember, Chebe powder can be very grainy, and that means that if you do not sieve this properly, your spray bottle is going to suffer. So I went ahead to sieve this multiple times. I did my sieving multiple times because I wanted to ensure that I had little or no grains of the Chebe powder left in this juice. So that's how I went ahead to do it. So guys, just watch and enjoy the video. And so as you can see right here, I have some grains of the chili powder that could not escape my almighty sieving technique. So I'm still going to go ahead to sieve this again. That's the main reason why I went ahead to rinse out my saucepan, so I could pour this right on there and continue sieving to ensure that I have completely removed all of the chili powder grains that are left right in this hairspray. And once that was done, I went ahead to transfer this into my spray bottle. So at this point, you can go ahead to add in whatever thing you like. And by that, I mean you can go ahead to add in whatever kind of oils you like. So I went ahead to add in a little bit more of the cacao oil to this. I added in a bit of some essential oils to this. So that's what I was clearly showing you at the beginning of the application process. The oils were at the top, while the liquid was just at the bottom, because as you guys know, oils and water do not mix together. So all you have to do is to shake it up together before you begin applying this to your hair, so you won't be just applying just water to your hair thinking you're applying everything to your hair. Could you get? So I went ahead to apply this from the roots of my hair down to the ends of my hair. I went ahead to also massage this into my hair. So yes, I did like talk while I was making the video, but the audio was really bad, so that was why I had to take out the audio and make a voice over for it. Okay, so just go ahead, apply this really nicely, massage it into every strand of your hair, most especially when you're applying this to your hair and your hair is dried. Advise you I would advise you to ensure that your hair is well hydrated with this. Okay, so ensure your hair is well hydrated with this from the roots down to the ends of your hair. So now at this point, you guys should already know that there is no moisturizing process without a sealing process. Okay, so I'm going to be sealing using this castor oil cream. I got this last year and I really did like it, and I love the feel it gives to my hair. It's a castor oil hair cream for scalp and your hair. Okay, so I just went ahead to apply this to the roots of my hair, and also I applied this to the strands of my hair to seal in the moisture. As I was applying this to my scalp, I also went ahead to use the opportunity to like give my scalp a very good massage. Okay guys, so you want to massage your scalp really nicely to also help with blood flow on your scalp. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you did find this video very helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, to be tuned in for more interesting natural hair care videos like this, to help you grow your natural hair healthy and really nice. And also do well to share this video to as many people who you think would want to see this video. Thank you very much guys. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.